Greetings, young apprentice. Welcome to the mystical realm of the Wealth Wizard. In this enchanting journey, we shall delve into 8 potent spells that will unlock your power to transmute your financial destiny through the wise preservation of your enchanted treasures. Through practical examples and whimsical instruction, we shall empower you to wield these enchanting spells and embark on a thrilling quest towards lasting financial welfare. Our channel is devoted entirely to imparting the most mystical advice from the art of investing, saving, and growing your riches, so that you may transcend the mundane and achieve true financial enlightenment. So join us, and let us work our magic to help you unlock the secrets to unlimited prosperity. Enchanted budgeting. In the realm of financial sorcery, Abundant acts as your trusty spellbook. Begin by analyzing your income and expenses, classifying them into magical categories. Identify areas where you can conjure savings by reducing or adjusting your expenses. Utilize the power of budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending and maintain a vigilant watch over your financial journey. Picture yourself as a diligent apprentice, casting a budgeting spell. By examining your expenses, you discover a mysterious leak in your coin pouch caused by excessive indulgence in enchanted beverages. By harnessing the magic of self-restraint, you cut back on these expenses and redirect the saved coins towards your financial goals. Mystic Meal Mastery. Feasting at the grand halls of restaurants can be a delightful temptation, but it may drain your magical reserves. To preserve your wealth, reduce the frequency of dining out and embrace the power of homemade enchantments. Plan your meals, create a grocery list, and procure ingredients in bulk, thus saving both gold and time. Imagine summoning the culinary spirits within you as you conjure a feast fit for royalty in the comfort of your own magical kitchen. By brewing potions of nourishment at home, you not only savor delightful flavors, but also accumulate a treasure trove of saved coins. Energy Bill Sorcery. Unleash the power of energy conservation to diminish the drain on your mystical energy reserves. Embrace energy-saving habits such as extinguishing lights and powering down enchanted devices when not in use, adjusting your home's temperature to conjure efficient energy usage, and insulating your abode against the cold grip of winter. Envision yourself as a garden of energy, diligently taming the power-hungry beasts within your home. By donning the cloak of conscious energy usage, you diminish the voracious appetite of your utility bills, allowing your saved coins to accumulate and grow in strength. Enigmatic Subscription Mastery. Peer through the magical veil of subscriptions and memberships and discern which are essential and which are mere illusions. Cancel any unnecessary services that drain your precious gold and wield the magic of consolidation by sharing subscriptions with like-minded allies. Picture yourself as an adept sorcerer, gazing into your enchanted magic orb. As you examine your subscriptions, you discover a hidden realm of unused enchantments. By releasing yourself from their captivating spell, you unlock a newfound abundance of saved gold, ready to be deployed towards your magical aspirations. Automated Prosperity. Unleash the enchanted forces of automation by setting up spells that transfer a portion of your income from your checking account to a dedicated savings vault. By making saving a priority, you ensure that your gold reserves flourish before the allure of spending can entice you. Imagine yourself as a diligent keeper of wealth, employing an automatic transfer spell that harnesses the flow of your income. With every payday, a portion of your gold gracefully dances into your savings vault, building a fortune that will sustain your future desires. Savvy Shopping Spells. Become a shrewd wizard of commerce by engaging in the art of price comparison across various mystical bazaars. Harness the magic of coupons, discounts, and sales to unveil the best deals. And remember, dear apprentice, sometimes the most potent spell is the one that refrains from buying altogether. Visualize yourself as a savvy sorcerer, armed with a magical mirror that reveals the true essence of pricing. Before buying an enchanted artifact, you consult the mirror, uncovering alternative sources that offer the same power at a more favorable price. With your newfound knowledge, you make wise buying decisions, preserving your precious gold. DIY Wizardry. Embrace the transformative power of self-reliance and become a master of do-it-yourself enchantments. Instead of relying on others to perform tasks and services, equip yourself with the skills to mend your home, maintain your magical steed, and undertake other magical endeavors. By avoiding outsourcing, you save a fortune and empower yourself with new abilities. Envision yourself as a skilled wizard, wielding the tools of craftsmanship and wizardry. Instead of summoning a costly artisan, you undertake the restoration of a crumbling wall in your mystical abode. With every stone made and every enchantment mastered, you save an abundance of gold, which can be used to fulfill your grandest dreams. Cashback conjuring and reward sorcery. Unlock the secret treasures hidden within the realm of modern enchantments, cashback apps, and rewards programs. Mystical entities such as the illustrious Rakuten, the enchanting honey, and the captivating Ibotta bestow upon you the arcane spells of cashback and discounts. With each incantation, you tap into the mystical energies of savings as your gold returns to you like a faithful familiar. As a masterful enchanter, call forth these benevolent spirits to achieve mystical rewards and a fraction of your gold restored for every shopping endeavor. Witness your wealth flourish and your financial dominion expand as you unlock the boundless potential of these magical manifestations. I implore you, young apprentice, to embrace these mystical money-saving strategies as you embark on a thrilling adventure towards financial freedom and prosperity. I extend my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If the magical insights we have unveiled have sparked joy and illumination within your heart, I beseech you to lend your magical support. By liking this mystical video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your thoughts through the comments below, you shall fortify the bond between us, ensuring that we may continue to weave spells of financial wisdom in the days to come. Remember, young wizard, that you hold the power to manifest a life abundant with riches and success. As you tread the path of financial triumph, may your every step be guided by the enchanting light of financial wisdom, so that your financial dreams may take flight, your purse overflow with gold, your debts fade into oblivion, and your life be adorned with everlasting prosperity. Farewell, dear friend, until we meet again on our next magical adventure.